Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket. What happens if you drop the basket? You lose everything. That's what can happen if you put all your money in one investment. Diversification means spreading your money across different investments. Like, don't put all your money in just technology stocks. Instead, buy some technology, some healthcare, some energy, and so on. This way, if one investment goes down, the others can help cushion the fall. Diversification is like having a safety net for your money. It helps protect you from big losses and smooths out the ups and downs of the market. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want to eat only apples every day, right? You need a variety of foods for a healthy diet. The same goes for your investments. Diversification is key to building a healthy and resilient portfolio. Diversification is crucial for several reasons. First and foremost, it reduces your risk. When you invest in different assets, you're less likely to lose all your money if one investment performs poorly. Second, diversification can enhance your returns. By spreading your investments, you increase your chances of capturing gains in different sectors or asset classes. Moreover, diversification provides peace of mind. Knowing that your portfolio is well diversified can give you confidence and reduce anxiety about market fluctuations. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and diversification is your best bet for navigating the inevitable ups and downs of the market. One way to diversify your portfolio is by investing in different sectors. Sectors are groups of companies that are in the same industry. For example, the technology sector includes companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. The healthcare sector includes companies like Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, and United Health Group. By investing in different sectors, you're spreading your risk across different parts of the economy. If one sector is doing poorly, another sector may be doing well. This can help to stabilize your portfolio and reduce your overall risk. Section 4. Exploring different markets. Another way to diversify is by investing in different market capitalizations. Market capitalization, or market cap, refers to the total value of a company's outstanding shares. Large cap companies are those with a market cap of over $10 billion. Mid-cap companies have a market cap between $2 billion and $10 billion. Small-cap companies have a market cap of less than $2 billion. Each market cap category tends to perform differently in different market conditions. By investing in a mix of large, mid, and small-cap stocks, you can further diversify your portfolio and potentially enhance your returns. Section 5. Venturing into global markets. Don't limit yourself to just your home country when it comes to investing. Consider diversifying geographically by investing in international stocks. International stocks are shares of companies that are based outside of your home country. Investing in international stocks can provide exposure to different economies, currencies, and growth opportunities. For example, you could invest in emerging markets like China or India, which have high growth potential. Or you could invest in developed markets like Europe or Japan, which offer stability and diversification. Section 6. Balancing risk and return. When diversifying your portfolio, it's essential to strike a balance between risk and return. Risk refers to the possibility of losing money on an investment. Return refers to the profit you make on an investment. Generally, higher risk investments have the potential for higher returns, while lower risk investments tend to have lower returns. Your risk tolerance will depend on your individual financial goals, time horizon, and comfort level with volatility. If you're risk-averse, you may prefer a more conservative portfolio with a higher allocation to lower risk investments like bonds. If you're comfortable with risk, you may opt for a more aggressive portfolio with a higher allocation to higher risk investments like stocks. Section 7. Start your diversification journey. Diversification is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. As you learn and grow as an investor, your portfolio should evolve with you. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, every investor's journey is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is to find a diversification strategy that you're comfortable with and that meets your specific needs. Start small, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for help from a financial advisor if needed. Diversification is your key to building a resilient and successful investment portfolio.